Hello. Hello, little man. You've come for a nosy. There you go. How you doing? Hey? How you doing? Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Yes. So there you go. So there you can see, can't you, the skin there that's starting to peel back on his back. Fascinating creatures, a reptile, indigenous to Australia. They live in the outback, and they really are quite a fascinating creature. There he is. I thought I'd just share the life and times of Bernhard, basking on his rock and his branch there, keeping warm. Let's just zoom out there, and there he is. And he's 6 months old, still considered a juvenile, and their diet consists of locusts, crickets, insects, wax worms, calci worms, and vegetation. They're quite fond of dandelion leaves, kale, lettuce. And by the time he becomes an adult, his diet should be 80% vegetarian and 20% insectivorous. So I'll leave him be now. I hope you've enjoyed Bernhard for today and the shedding of his skin.